Okay, confession time. Raise your hand if your perfect weekend for self-improvement usually ends up looking more like this? Yeah, thought so. We dream of waking up like a productivity ninja, meditating at sunrise, conquering our goals. But reality? It's often more snooze button wrestling and Netflix black hole. Sound familiar? Well, grab your coffee or emergency energy drink, because today, we're hacking the weekend for serious self-improvement gains without the soul-crushing pressure. It's Saturday morning and your bed is hugging you like a needy ex, but you're on a mission, not to binge-watch 8 episodes of a show you'll forget by Tuesday. No. This weekend, we're rewiring your life. Welcome to the perfect weekend routine for self-improvement, a battle-tested blueprint to upgrade your mindset, boost motivation, and maybe, just maybe, stop doom scrolling until 2 a.m. So grab your matcha, your planner, and that half-read self-help book you swear you'll finish. Let's turn your weekend into a launch pad for the best version of you. This isn't about being perfect. It's about being progressively awesome. Let's build your ultimate weekend routine for personal growth. Watch until the end for a bonus. Welcome back, Growth Gang. I'm Mr. Sticks A. Stocks, and we're diving deep into mindset, money mastery, and unlocking your peak potential. Weekends are golden, 48 hours of freedom, but waste them, and Monday hits like a freight train filled with regret. Master them? You unlock unstoppable momentum, mental clarity, and the kind of confidence that makes Mondays your biznitch. So, let's design your perfect self-care and self-improvement weekend, optimized for real humans who also enjoy naps. Section 1. Friday night. The reset button. Stop right there. Your perfect weekend routine actually starts Friday night. The weekend doesn't start Saturday morning. It starts Friday night. And no, that doesn't mean tequila and regrettable texts. It means reset, reflect, and reorganize your sock drawer if you're into that sort of thing. Yep, if you roll into Saturday like a zombie who just fought a spreadsheet dragon, you've already lost. We need the Friday night reset. Step 1. The sacred shutdown ritual. Seriously, close the laptop, silence work notifications, maybe even do a dramatic "I declare this workday over" gesture. Highly effective. This signals to your brain, hey, it's me time now, chill the circuits. If you can't wait for Step 2, hit the like and subscribe buttons. Step 2. The mini celebration. Did you survive the week? Heck yeah. Acknowledge it. This isn't about wild parties, unless that's your jam. It's about intentional joy. Maybe it's ordering that pizza guilt-free, watching that trashy TV show you love, playing video games, or just sitting in silence appreciating you didn't set anything on fire. Reward yourself. It boosts dopamine and kicks off the weekend right. Step 3. The 5-minute brain dump. Before your brain fully checks out, grab a notebook or your phone notes app. No judgment. Spend literally 5 minutes dumping everything swirling in your head. Work worries, weekend chores, that weird dream about talking squirrels. Get it out. This is mental decluttering. It frees up RAM for actual relaxation and sets you up for a focused Saturday. Boom! Friday reset complete. Section 2. Saturday morning. Intentional ignition. Saturday morning. The promised land. But resist the siren song of the snooze button for just a little longer. We're building mindful momentum. Step 1. Hydrate and awaken. Gently. Chug a big glass of water. Your body's been in the desert all night. Then, make your caffeine of choice. But do it mindfully. Smell the coffee beans, feel the warm mug. Don't just mainline it while scrolling cat memes. This tiny act of presence sets the tone. Step 2. Micro-meditation or mindful movement. I know, but I can't meditate. Who said perfect lotus position? Sit comfortably. Close your eyes, focus on your breath for 5 minutes. Or do some gentle stretching/yoga. Follow a quick YouTube vid. This isn't about emptying your mind. Impossible. It's about calming your nervous system and building focus. Think of it as a mindset warm-up. Step 3. The Power Hour, aka conquer one big rock. This is where the productivity magic happens. Identify one important, non-urgent task that would make you feel like a superhero to finish. Is it financial planning? Budget review? Researching an investment? Gotta flex that money muscle? Writing a chunk of your book? Learning a high-income skill for an hour? A deep clean project? Block 1 hour. Phone on D&D, laser focus. Crush that one thing. The sense of accomplishment fuels your whole weekend. Section 3. Saturday afternoon, fuel and fun. All right, Power Hour champion, you've earned some fuel. Nutrition matters for energy and mood. Whip up something decent. Doesn't need to be gourmet, just something that isn't pure sugar or deep-fried regret. Think energy-sustaining foods. Step 1. Guilt-free fun injection. This is non-negotiable for sustainable self-improvement. What truly lights you up? Reading fiction for pure pleasure? Hiking? Painting terrible landscapes? Playing guitar? Gaming? Dancing like nobody's watching? Because hopefully they aren't. Do that for at least 60 to 90 minutes. This is essential self-care, not laziness. It recharges your creativity and joy batteries. Step 2. Micro-connection. Humans are social creatures, even us introverts sometimes. Send a meaningful text to a friend or family member. Have a quick, genuine video chat. Maybe meet for a casual coffee. Positive connection boosts oxytocin, the feel-good hormone. It reinforces you're not on this personal growth journey alone. Section 4. Saturday evening. Reflect, relax, recharge. As the sun dips, shift gears. This is wind down and wisdom time. Step 1. The 5-minute Win and Wonder Journal. Seriously, just 5 minutes. Jot down 3 wins from the day, big or small. Made a killer omelet counts. One thing you learned about yourself, the world, anything. One thing you're grateful for. This simple gratitude practice wires your brain for positivity and growth mindset. It highlights your progress. Step 2. Digital sunset. At least 60 to 90 minutes before bed. The blue light murders your sleep hormone, melatonin. Read a physical book. Gasp. Take a bath. Listen to calming music or a podcast, not work-related. Practice gentle stretches. Protect your sleep like it's your most valuable asset, because it is for peak performance and mental health. Step 3. Prioritize premium sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours. Create a cool, dark, quiet cave. Your brain needs this time to process, repair, and consolidate all that awesome learning and growth from the day. Quality sleep is the ultimate biohack. Section 5. Sunday. Mindset, money, and momentum. Prepping Sunday. The vibe is different. It's about nourishment, foresight, and gentle preparation, not frantic cramming. Step 1. Savor your Sunday start. Sleep in a little if you need it. Make a slightly fancier breakfast. Listen to uplifting music or a motivational podcast. Enjoy the slower pace. Mindful enjoyment is key. Step 2. The money moment. Financial health is huge for peace of mind and future freedom. This isn't scary. Check your accounts. Review spending. Be kind to yourself. Update your budget. Schedule bills. Maybe read one article on investing or side hustles. Small, consistent actions build massive financial momentum. Future you will high-five you. Step 3. Weekly preview and plan. Look at your upcoming week. What are the big 3 priorities? What appointments are locked in? Block time for your deep work, your health, exercise slots, and even your fun. Just sketch it out. This reduces Sunday scaries massively because you feel prepared. Clarity reduces anxiety. Step 4. Inspiration injection. Feed your mind something inspiring or educational related to your goals. Read a chapter of a personal development book. Watch an educational YouTube video on mindset or a skill. Listen to an audiobook while walking. Keep that growth flame flickering. Step 5. Quality connection or solo sanctuary. Dedicate good time to loved ones. A proper conversation, a shared meal, a walk. Or if you need solo time to recharge, honor that. Protect this time fiercely. Section 6. Sunday evening. Gentle wind down and intention. Ease into Sunday evening. Protect the peace. Step 1. Future. You fuel. Optional but recommended. Do some basic meal prep. Cook some grains, chop veggies, hard-boil eggs. Future Monday. You will weep tears of gratitude. Reduces decision fatigue during the week. Step 2. Repeat relaxation rituals. Similar to Saturday. Digital sunset. Calming activity. Maybe another short gratitude reflection. Remind yourself of the awesome weekend you created. Step 3. Set your Monday intention. Before bed, ask yourself, how do I want to feel tomorrow? What's my focus anchor? E.g., I intend to feel focused and tackle Project X with calm energy. Plant the seed. Your mindset is your superpower. So, there it is, your blueprint for the perfect self-improvement weekend routine. Remember the core principles. Progress, not perfection. Miss a step? So what? Jump back in. Intentionality is key. Do things on purpose, even relaxation. Balance fuels. Growth, work, play, connect, rest. You need all 4. This routine builds unshakable confidence, laser focus, financial clarity, and deep resilience. The exact mindset you need to crush your goals and build the life you want. It's not about rigid rules. It's about designing a weekend that sets you up for a winning week. Your challenge. This weekend, pick just one element from this routine to implement. Maybe it's the Friday brain dump, the Saturday power hour, or the Sunday money moment. Master that one thing, then add another. Stack those wins. Let me know in the comments below. What's one thing you're committing to trying this weekend? What's your biggest weekend struggle? Share your hacks. Let's learn from each other. If this gave you a blueprint for more energy, focus, and growth, do me a huge favor. Smash that like button. It tells YouTube you want more content like this. Subscribe and hit the bell for weekly dives into money, mindset, and motivation. Share this video with someone who needs a better weekend routine. Comment cash flow, and I'll send you a link to my free cash flow management worksheet. Grab it. Remember, you are capable of incredible growth. Design your time, design your life. Now go out there and have an intentionally awesome weekend. I believe in you. Until next time, keep growing. This is Mr. Sticks A Stocks signing off for now. Peace.